Welcome today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the battery section. Here you will see the battery share, tap there, and just to allow the battery sharing on your device, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. Here also, if you want, you can just change this option to stop sharing battery when your phone reach 10%, but you can just make it more, or if you want to you can stay with the 10%. So I'll go in, for example, with the 31, and by this way you can adjust sharing with your battery power. But if you want, you can also turn off this option, and to do that you just should tap again here on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.